so far as the policy rates are concerned, before the data came out on 12th, our view was that Reserve Bank of India will remain in the pause mode at least for the next 12 months. But the latest IIP data as well as inflation data both have been higher than expected. And there are reasons to expect that the inflation, because of particularly the food prices, the way they are going up as we talk, and also we have seen the core inflation is remaining elevated. Say, for example, a lot of services prices are pretty high, whether it's healthcare, whether it's education. So given that there is a chance that inflation in India will surprise us negatively, in the sense that inflation will be higher than what was being anticipated earlier. And simultaneously, we are seeing industrial growth is also doing well in India, so which is sort of the resilience of domestic demand. So if RBI, that will make RBI pretty jittery, because RBI in the last policy has made it very clear that for any change in policy stance from the current stance, it will require the inflation on an enduring basis coming back close to 4%. It just being below 6%, which is generally considered as the comfort zone of RBI, that won't be sufficient to change RBI's view. RBI still is in the liquidity tightening mode. So my sense is that with the inflation, if we are getting there is possibility of build-up of inflation, and on the top of that, as you said, Fed is most likely to go ahead with another 25 bips rate hike in this policy, and probably another 25 bips rate hike subsequently. So RBI will be under a lot of pressure. So earlier we were ruling out any further monetary policy tightening by RBI, but now we think that if the data flow is not in line with RBI expectation, if the inflation is higher than RBI expectation, RBI might wait out for another 1 or 2 data prints. But if the trend continues, then RBI might go ahead and do another rate hike.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.